My name is
Matthias Muller. I have a degree in mechanical engineering and am responsible for the development of bars and chains at STIHL.
von Schienen und Ketten.
STIHL guide bars deliver the perfect balance between the lightweight construction of the bars and their durability and rigidity, depending on the customer user group. We produce many different types here in Germany. Bar production takes place only a few meters away from the development team. When we develop a new bar, we think about the concept and develop drafts in CAD, so we can then produce prototypes for testing. These tests are carried out several times to optimize the prototypes. At the end, we run worldwide testing to hopefully get positive feedback from the customers. The final bending test was developed out of a real use case in the forest. When correcting the cutting direction and the tip of the bar is in the timber, the bar can bend under pressure. In this case, the bar is allowed to deform itself under high force, but then bounces back to its original straight position. The kickback test stand enables us to assess the strength of the kickback for the overall system of chainsaw, bar and chain. This helps us to produce a cutting attachment and chainsaw combination that gives maximum protection for our customer.